Okay, let's talk about lithium. Huge lithium deposit was found in Arkansas. There's some royalty battles going on. They're going to get it all squared away. That's not the story. The real story is, how big is this lithium deposit? Let's read it together. This week, the United States Geological Survey and the Arkansas government said they found enough lithium in brine. If you don't know what brine is, look it up. In the Smackover Formation, that's just a formation underground. This one's called Smackover, weird name, but there it is. Within the state of Arkansas, to do what? To supply global demand. I repeat, there's enough lithium in Arkansas alone to supply the entire globe with demand. Yeah. Can someone say, bye-bye, China. We don't need your sorry ass. We don't need your lithium. We are energy independent. Folks, I know a lot of you don't like Donald Trump. That's fine. Hate on him all you want. The guy is energy independent. You want $3 and $4, $5, $6 for a gallon of gas? I don't. The man's is gonna get gasoline back down to $2. And guess what else? We're gonna have our own lithium. You know that Elon Musk is happy with that, and so are other manufacturers looking for lithium here in the United States. You can bet China is highly agitated that America has found enough lithium to export. We're going to outclass China and stick it to them hard and good. Yeah. They estimate the amount in the formation porous limestone left from an ancient seabed at 5 million tons and 19 million tons. Scientists use water testing and machine learning to calculate the resource. The formation stretches from Texas to Florida, my two favorite states, suggesting there could be even more lithium. America has enough lithium to meet global demand. Forget it. Next 100 years. Longer. We don't need stinking China, guys. That's what this comes down to. And you can guarantee China ain't going to like that. By the way, Chinese nationals were found in the middle of the night digging up seeds. That's right. Why would they do that? They're taking the seeds back to China. They were genetically looking at these seeds to try to control the world food supply and, of course, control grains here in America. Caught in the middle of the night. Yeah, that's what we're up against, people. That's who's coming across the border. It isn't just Hispanics. It isn't just armed Venezuelans. It's all crapload of scumbags coming across our border. From the Middle East, from Asia, from Central and South America, you name it. Criminals coming across the border. Okay, granted, maybe not all of them are criminals, but there's more than enough criminality going on in the United States from these foreign nationalists coming into America. Big, huge problem. Okay? Yeah. Lithium, enough to supply the world many times over. China is going to get it hard. They're going to get the nasty, high, hard one. Because America's going to export lithium. And China's going to go frickin', they're not going to be happy. Not going to be happy. Okay, let's get to the charts. S&P 500 daily chart. What's going on here? A little bit of a small green day on the futures, but the SPX was actually down. Guess what I think is going to happen? Going to go down more. Now, it could do one of these and curl up, but I think it's going to go down more. This is going to go this way. That's what I think is going to happen. That's my forecast as it stands right now. Hard to tell for sure what's going to happen, but I think that's what's going to happen. Let's take a look at the trade of the day. Two of them, one on the 15-minute chart, one on the 5-minute chart. Trade of the day. Let's get the Gitters Plus indicator up here. There was only one. This makes life super easy. Only one trade of the day on the 15-minute chart. There it is right there. 9:30. Easy trade. Sticking along the bottom. Massive negative momentum. Ba-boom. Okay, probably running from about 58, 47-ish down to 30. Wow, 17 points. Okay, that's about $850. Here you go. You're welcome. 5-minute chart. What's going on here? Right there. There's your trade of the day. It's 8:20 this morning. Was it a good trade? This trade is so easy, it's ridiculous how easy this trade is. Let me spell it out for you. You get the Giddus Plus indicator. What does it do? It's making its way down, make its way down. It does the old bouncy bounce. Oh, what do you know? It doesn't get to the top line. It begins to curl over. Take the trade. This is going negative, stays negative. There's your trade right there. Super easy. It doesn't touch the top line. It didn't touch it there. It didn't touch it there. Okay, folks, how many times I gotta say it? Yeah, that's the trade of the day on the 5-minute chart. This one's even more profitable. Probably ran from about, I'll tell you what, let's be super conservative. 55 down to 45, 10 points. If that's all you traded was this little section, you made $500. If you were smart, you would have traded this one and this one too because they didn't touch the top line. You made even more money. Okay, trades of the day right there. Okay, let's go to the rest of the products. Start with the Dow Jones Transportation. Go back to the daily. We're going to bang through these pretty quick. I think there's a little bit more left in this. But guess what? This is not a big pullback. We're nowhere near that. We're nowhere near that. I just don't see a huge pullback going on here for the Dow Jones Transportation. Yes, there's going to be a pullback there, but so far it has not been deep. Still looks pretty strong to me, to be honest. Russell 2000. Same thing. Yes, there's a little pullback going on here. It just doesn't look very aggressive. It's going to have to take out some lows, like right, if I can get this to work, here and down here. Okay, nowhere near taking all these lows yet. There's probably a little more left in this for sure. But right now, still looks pretty strong. NASDAQ. The strongest of all of them. Down, sideways. Bullish. Doing this. NASDAQ. Strongest index of them all right now. Look at the SPX. Why not? Yep, SPX was a little bit red. See, unlike the futures, SPX actually finished slightly down. I do think it's going to do this. I don't think it's going to do that. It's going to go south. All the way to the red line, I think. We'll see what happens in the next few days. Let's look at the Nike 225, Japanese market. What is going on over there? Trying to find a bottom. Don't think it's going to happen. It's going to get down here, bouncy bounce. Not going to be very strong. This is probably going to go negative. Okay. November 11th is a cycle low. Not liking it for long, that's for sure. Japanese yen. Hasn't found the bottom. One green day, not enough. Horrible. Never made it to the top. Massive negative momentum. This thing's in trouble. In trouble. 6E. Euro futures. Same thing. Big green day, not enough. Exact same formations as the yen. Definitely not enough. Could bounce. Then give it up going into middle, late November. Okay. British pound. Pretty much the same thing as a euro. Getting clobbered. One green day is definitely not enough. Bing bong. What? This is looking bad. Looking bad. Not strong at all. Amazing how these currencies have absolutely collapsed. Means the US dollar probably had a red day, but still looking strong. Yep, red day. Super strong. Super bullish. Way up here. Way above this line. I think it'll be strong all the way out to like the middle of November. All right. Let's look at, what are we going to look at? We're going to look at gold. Look at this thing. It's on fire. Let's get rid of this. Gold on fire. I think it's going to do something like that and back up again. Down, up. Absolutely amazing. November 17th is a good 3 weeks away. So gold doesn't show any sign of letting up. Look at silver. A little bit weaker than gold. Could come down into this October 31st cycle. And then I think even if it does, it's going to bounce. That's 7 days away. I think silver's going to have a rebound after that, probably take off. Let's look at, look at corn. I said yesterday I thought corn was good for a small position long. Ding, 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 ding. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Sure enough, today was a moneymaker, 5.5 range. Today was an up day. Yes, sir. Be a little bit careful here. Might run out of gas. There might be another day in this, but I'd be careful here. Whatever pullback it does, if it bounces up again and this is a positive territory, you can go long. Okay, I'd be a little cautious here as this is getting peaky. There might be another safe day to go long here, but it's not super clear to me it's safe to continue to go long here. Let's look at XLP. Finish all this up. XLP looking a little bit weak. Consumer Staples ETF. Had a bias going down. I don't think this is done. I think it's got more to go down. We're in negative territory momentum. Yeah, not a good look for the XLP. I think it's going to decline some more. That's it. $7.99. Become a member. You get the S&P 500 charts, the 5-minute to 15-minute 1 hour. The 1 hour chart has the cycles, just like you're seeing here. These are daily cycles, but there's actually hourly cycles, and they're usually very good on the S&P 500. Guess what? Same thing for gold. 5-minute, 15-minute, 1 hour charts. Really good. Cycles on gold too. Okay. Nightly email every night, Monday through Thursday. 5 different charts go in that email. If you want to get alerted on these products like gold and S&P 500 on the Discord server, when you become a member, just right click on that channel. If it says gold, right click. If it says S&P 500, right click. Turn notifications on. You get alerted. That's how it works. That is it. Happy trading, everybody. God bless everybody. Talk to all real soon again next time.